Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to set the time and date on your Seiko 5 SRPG model. This is going to work for other Seiko models out there that feature the day-date complication and other watch brands as well. Now the first thing that you want to do before setting the actual time and date is to set the time at 6:30, and we do that because usually the day-date complication wheel is going to engage between 9 and 3 o'clock. So on some watches can be between 9 and 12 or between 12 and 3, or on others can be between both. So one is going to engage between 9 and 12, so let's say the day of the week, and between 12 and 3 o'clock the day of the month. So first I'm going to pull the crown to the last position. You are going to see that the second hand stopped. That is because we have a hacking option on this exact movement. I'm going to go past 12 o'clock, and as you can see already the day of the month has engaged, so between 9 and 12 o'clock. And now I'm going to go past 12 o'clock, and you can see that the day of the week is now being engaged. And now I'm going to set the time at 6:30. So this way we are going to have both the watch hands in the lower part, so the lower half of the watch dial. Now I'm going to push the crown all the way back in, and now I'm going to pull the crown to the first position, and this is where you can actually set the date. As you can see, we have a day-date complication, so this means that if I rotate the watch crown in a certain way, it is going to set the day of the week, and the other way around it is going to set the day of the month. Now a very important thing is that you want to set the date one day prior to the actual date that you want to set, and this is because we want to know whether we are AM or PM, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So let's say that I want to make it the 5th of the month, and I wanted to make it Monday. This means that I'm going to make it the 4th of the month, and I'm going to make it Sunday. So let's do that. So I'm going to first make it Friday, Saturday. You can see that we have two options, so two languages on this exact Seiko model. So I'm going to make it Sunday, as you can see right here. And now I'm going to go and make it the 4th. So let's do that as well. Now I have Sunday and the 4th, and my end goal is to make it Monday the 5th. Now I'm going to pull the crown all the way once again, and I'm going to go with the watch hands past 12 o'clock. As you can see, nothing happened. This is because we were AM, and now since I am PM, the date is going to change. And now you can see that we are on Monday the 5th. And now I know that I am at 4 AM, so 4 in the morning on Monday the 5th. That is why we want to set the date one day prior to the actual date, because if you are, let's say, AM, you won't know whether it is AM or PM if you set the date directly. So that's why we set it one day prior. And now if I want to make it PM, I'm going to go past 12 o'clock once again. As you can see, nothing happened because now we are on the 5th Monday, and it is 6 PM. So guys, that is how you set the time and date on your Seiko 5 SRPG model. As I mentioned, this is going to work for other Seiko mechanical watches as well as other mechanical watches that you find out there, so a variety of watch brands. If you enjoyed this type of content, guys, about watches, vintage watches, watch tutorials, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel, and I'm going to see you guys on the next video.